Welcome back to the top political story on the campaign trail. 3 netas raided in Tamil Nadu in the last 24 hours, taking the total cash seizure ahead of polling tomorrow in the state to 205 crores. All this, of course, as I said, the day before Tamil Nadu votes in phase 2. That begins tomorrow. It's our top story. It's our other top story.
Just a day before South India's largest state votes in the Lok Sabha elections, income tax raids on opposition leaders are the talking point in Tamil Nadu. In the last 24 hours, taxmen have raided 2 DMK leaders, including Kanimuri and AMMK chief TTV Dinakaran's office. While 1.4 crore was recovered from Dinakaran's office, 12 crore has been found in Vellore in the last 1 week. The raid on DMK leader Kanimuri didn't yield anything. The income tax department said that the raid was based on a tip-off. Opposition leaders are now crying political vendetta by the Narendra Modi government.
They've come to raid because I am a candidate from the opposition party who's decided to contest against a BJP leader in Thoothukudi. So this is completely politically motivated and it's political vendetta.
Governments change and people indulging in such blasphemy as also political vendetta will be punished appropriately. So let the officer also be reminded. Things change and people will be punished for doing bidding of Prime Minister Modi.
The raid in Andipatti was preceded by dramatic scenes. Workers of the AMMK tried to block the raid, forcing the police to open fire. Taxmen found 94 packets of cash amounting to 1.4 crores with number of voters and ward numbers at Dinakaran's office. As criticism of tax raid mounted, incidents of bribing by the ruling AIADMK were reported from Penny and Vellore. The Election Commission's flying squads have raided the AIADMK's office in Madurai, where they seized 2,000 rupee notes and voters' list.
Tamil Nadu has topped the list in the maximum amount that has been seized by the IT department, with over 500 crore rupees being taken into custody. Though the opposition parties have been claiming that the IT department as well as the Election Commission have been compromised and are being influenced by the state and the central government, the big question is, who will the people of Tamil Nadu vote for on the 18th of April? Will money and muscle power play an important role? With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.